This module focuses on soft skills and developing your professional portfolio, crucial elements for career advancement. These skills are absolutely essential for robust career growth and success within the dynamic technology industry. Let's explore the fundamental pillars of effective communication within any successful development team. Understanding why effective communication is so vital will help us see how it truly drives team success. First, good communication significantly enhances team productivity, making workflows much smoother and more efficient. It ensures seamless collaboration among team members and streamlines overall task management for better outcomes. Secondly, clear communication plays a key role in reducing errors and preventing potential misunderstandings within projects. Providing clear and concise instructions is vital to prevent any misinterpretations or confusion among colleagues. Moreover, effective communication greatly improves team morale, fostering a more positive and engaging work environment. Encouraging open discussions and transparent interactions helps cultivate a truly positive and supportive work culture. It also significantly speeds up problem solving, allowing teams to address challenges much more quickly. Indeed, faster issue resolution is achieved by fostering strong teamwork and collaborative approaches to challenges. Finally, strong communication builds trust among team members, which is fundamental for any collaborative effort. This trust encourages valuable knowledge sharing and fosters a supportive environment among all team members. Now, let's look at the diverse communication styles. Crucial for effective collaboration in development teams. Adapting your communication approach is key to ensuring maximum clarity and understanding across your team. Verbal communication involves direct spoken interactions, which are perfect for immediate feedback and discussions. This includes quick, informal discussions that help resolve minor points or clarify immediate questions efficiently. Verbal communication is also ideal for brainstorming sessions, where ideas can be freely shared and developed collaboratively. Written communication, on the other hand, provides a clear documented record of information and decisions. This includes essential documentation updates, ensuring everyone has access to the latest project information and guidelines. Asynchronous messages, like emails or chat, allow team members to communicate effectively without immediate responses. Visual communication uses graphics and diagrams to convey complex information in an easily understandable format. System diagrams are excellent for visually representing architecture, helping everyone quickly grasp complex structures. User interface mockups provide visual representations of how a product will look and function before development. Finally, non-verbal communication involves cues that convey meaning without words, like gestures or expressions. This can be observed through body language during video calls, indicating engagement or potential confusion. Even chat emojis convey emotions and tone in written messages, adding a layer of non-verbal context. Let's delve into mastering communication, offering key strategies specifically designed for developers for clear interactions. These are key strategies that will help you achieve clear and effective interactions within your development team. Active listening is crucial. It means fully focusing on what your teammates are saying to truly understand. This involves paying your full and undivided attention to your teammates during discussions and meetings. Always ask clarifying questions to ensure you completely understand the message and avoid any misunderstandings. It's also important to confirm your understanding by summarizing what you've heard to ensure alignment. Crafting clear messages is vital for efficient communication, ensuring your points are easily understood. Always strive to keep your messages short and to the point, conveying information concisely. Using bullet points is an excellent way to organize information, making your messages easy to read. Try to avoid over-explaining, as this can often lead to confusion rather than clarity in communication. Providing constructive feedback helps improve code and processes, fostering growth without being critical. When giving feedback, always be specific about the issues or areas that require improvement. It is always best to suggest solutions respectfully, rather than just pointing out problems or errors. Remember to always keep your feedback professional and objective, focusing on the work, not the person. Effectively handling conflicts is a crucial skill for maintaining a healthy and productive team environment. When conflicts arise, always focus on collaboratively solving the issues at hand, not assigning blame. Using neutral language helps keep discussions objective and prevents misunderstandings from escalating further. Be prepared to suggest compromises, finding common ground that works for all team members involved. Alright, in this section, we'll focus on how to effectively streamline teamwork using Git, a crucial tool for collaborative development. We will explore the essential practices and strategies that ensure smooth and efficient version control within your development team. First, let's discuss feature branches, a fundamental practice for organizing your work and preventing conflicts in Git. This strategy allows you to isolate development work for specific features, such as feature/user authentication, ensuring independent progress. Next, writing clear commit messages is vital for understanding changes and maintaining a readable project history. Always describe your changes concisely when using git commit m. For example, by stating added login API. Learning to resolve merge conflicts is a critical skill for maintaining code integrity and smooth collaboration in team environments. It is essential to address any conflicting changes professionally and efficiently to keep your project moving forward. Finally, pull requests are a cornerstone of modern development workflows, enabling effective code collaboration and quality assurance. They facilitate thorough code reviews, ensuring that changes are carefully examined and approved before being merged into the main branch. Let's explore essential tools that help teams collaborate effectively, keeping development projects organized and on track. These tools are specifically designed to keep your development projects well organized and moving forward smoothly. Jira is an excellent tool, especially ideal for agile project management, supporting various methodologies efficiently. It's specifically designed for agile project management, providing robust features for complex development workflows. Jira effectively supports both Scrum and Kanban workflows, making it adaptable for different team methodologies. Trello is a great choice for simple task tracking, offering an intuitive and visual approach to project management. It is best suited for straightforward task tracking, providing a clear and easy-to-use interface. Trello organizes tasks using a system of boards, lists, and cards, providing a clear visual overview. Asana is an excellent tool for comprehensive team collaboration, facilitating planning and tracking across projects. This tool is excellent for fostering team collaboration, helping groups work together seamlessly on various tasks. Asana greatly facilitates both the planning and tracking of tasks, ensuring projects stay on schedule. Slack and Microsoft Teams are primary platforms for real-time team communication and quick information exchange. These platforms serve as the primary tools for instant team communication, keeping everyone connected and informed. They support dynamic discussions and efficient file sharing, making collaboration smooth and effective for teams. Let's focus on building a powerful software developer resume, highlighting the key sections recruiters seek. We'll identify the key sections that recruiters specifically look for to quickly assess your qualifications. The header section is where you include your name and all essential contact information for recruiters. This includes your name, contact information, and links to your LinkedIn, GitHub, and portfolio. The technical skills section showcases your proficiency in various programming languages, frameworks, and tools. Here, you list your programming languages, relevant frameworks, database knowledge, and development tools. Your work experience section details your professional roles, responsibilities, and significant achievements. List your roles, responsibilities, and quantifiable achievements, always starting with your most recent position. The projects section highlights your key personal or open source projects, demonstrating your practical skills. Include your key personal or open source projects, providing links to their repositories or live demos. Finally, the education section provides details about your academic background and qualifications. This should include your degree, the college you attended, and your year of graduation clearly. Let's begin setting up your developer portfolio, covering the initial steps for creating your personal website. These are the foundational steps to help you start building your very own professional personal website. First, you'll create your project directory and then establish the essential basic files for your website. This code creates a uPortfolio website directory, navigates into it, and then generates 3 essential files. Next, you will define the fundamental HTML structure, which forms the backbone of your web page. This extensive HTML code snippet sets up a basic portfolio page, including sections for projects and contact information. Now, let's learn how to make your portfolio live using GitHub pages, including version control and deployment. These are the crucial version control and deployment steps to publish your portfolio online effectively. First, initialize Git in your project directory and then add all your project files for version control. This sequence initializes a new Git repository, stages all changes, and creates the initial commit for your project. Next, you'll set your main branch and configure the remote origin, linking your local repository to GitHub. This code sets the default branch to main and connects your local repository to its remote GitHub counterpart. After setting up, you'll push your local repository content directly to your GitHub account. This command pushes your local main branch to the remote origin, making your code available on GitHub. Finally, enable GitHub pages within your repository settings to host your website directly from GitHub. Navigate to Settings, then Pages, select the main branch and click Save to publish your site. Let's practice solving common coding interview challenges, focusing on array and string manipulation techniques. We will look at practical examples for manipulating arrays and strings, which are common interview topics. First, let's tackle the two-sum problem, a classic challenge often encountered in coding interviews. Given an array, find two numbers that sum to a target using a t-hash map for O of n time complexity. This Python function efficiently finds two numbers that sum to the target by utilizing a tscene dictionary to track elements. Next, we'll look at reversing a string, a common and straightforward problem in coding assessments. This function reverses a string using Python's slicing feature s::-1, achieving O of n time complexity. This concise Python function reverses a given string s using slicing and then prints the result. Let's move on to advanced coding interview scenarios, covering linked list cycles and dynamic programming. We will tackle complex problems involving linked list cycles and efficient dynamic programming techniques. We'll now examine how to detect a cycle within a linked list, a frequent challenge in interviews. This solution uses Floyd's cycle finding algorithm, where slow and fast pointers detect a cycle in O of n time. This Python code defines a list node and implements the hasCycle function to check for cycles using two pointers. Let's look at calculating the Fibonacci sequence using memoization, an important dynamic programming technique. This calculates the nth Fibonacci number using dynamic programming with memoization, optimizing time complexity to O of n. This Python function calculates the Fibonacci sequence using memoization, storing results in a dictionary to prevent recomputation. To summarize, let's review the key takeaways from our discussion on soft skills and portfolio development. Mastering soft skills and effectively developing your portfolio are vital for career advancement in tech. Remember, effective communication and seamless collaboration are absolutely crucial for achieving team success. Crafting a strong resume and optimizing your LinkedIn profile will help you truly stand out to recruiters. A well-curated developer portfolio visually showcases your practical skills and impressive projects in action. For interviews, master data structures, algorithms, and system design to confidently solve complex problems. Practice delivering technical demos and confidently handling question and answer sessions to impress interviewers. Finally, remember that networking and securing referrals can significantly boost your job opportunities.